Hello everybody, welcome back to the iTunes Fanboy, and in this video, it's a bit of an unexpected surprise. I will be surprised that my mom got, or it was a surprise for me at least, was this Echo Pop, which my mom bought, which is a brand new. Sorry, I got some exercise alerts on my Apple Watch. This is a brand new line of Echo that basically is now the cheapest Echo line product, starting at just $40, and it claims to be tiny, but let's just take a look at it. So as you can tell on the top, it just has the Amazon logo on it. On the front, it says Echo Pop with a picture of the Echo Pop. As you can tell, this one is purple, and the Alexa logo. And on the left, it says your smart speaker with Alexa, voice control in your room, hands-free with a crisp, full sound smart speaker. Ask Alexa to play music, DIM-compatible lights, set alarms, and more. Designed with multiple layers of privacy, including a microphone on/off button. And then I assume it says that, yeah, it says that in Spanish and French. And on the back, it demonstrates some use cases on how Alexa is happy to help. So you can ask Alexa to play chilled music, for example, and you can ask Alexa to remind you to call your mom at noon. And one of the main features of this thing, which actually my mom got, even though she has an Echo Show 8 that she's going to be putting in her shed for a business shed, is because it has Bluetooth, meaning that so that way she can play music more directly from her phone, even though I know other Echoes have that feature. My mom just wanted a more direct way of doing it, so I guess that's the thing. But it says hands-free with Alexa, microphone on/off button, and app privacy controls, and mentions that what's in the box, which is the Echo Pop and the power adapter, and setup is simple and requires Wi-Fi and the Amazon Alexa app. And then as you can tell on the bottom, it just says copyright 2023, all the boring stuff. So and you can visit amazon.com/device support if you have any issues with this. So let's go, need help with this. So now let's go ahead and let's unbox this thing. So we get our simple basic plastic pull tab that we get with all Amazon products. As you can tell, this has a bit of an interesting flap where it says number 1 Alexa app, number 2 this, just to show simple setup since this is a pretty simple box. So the first thing is that we get the Echo Pop, which, wow, has a really nice design to it. I actually quite like this design. The color too is actually a really nice purple as well. And then looks like we get our manual. It says hello, hola, and bonjour, and then important information, which is just, this is the user manual, which again is just 6 pages and just explains some basic stuff. I'll go ahead and show you guys the pages. Oh, if I can get this open. There we go. You can go ahead and pause the video if you'd like to view these. This just explaining basic stuff. Okay, and we also have the power adapter that is wrapped, so we can go ahead and just unwrap this, which comes with a convenient rubber band that you can use for other stuff. So I'll just put this back as it is, and for my mom. So, and as you can tell, this is a 115 watt power adapter. So yes, without further ado, thank you all for watching this video. As always, I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.